Hello friends, data analyst. What is data analyst job role? What exactly we do as a data analyst? Yes, we touch base with various sources of data, files, databases, etc. We perform data mashup activities, calculations, formatting, big data analytics, cloud, Excel, and end user dashboarding activities. As a data analyst, we would be involved in SQL databases with Excel, Power BI with Excel, Python analytics with Excel, and end-to-end project implementations. At our SQL school, a certified training institute dedicated and have been offering training classes for more than 19 years, almost over 2 decades. We have a colorful course for you. A nice, colorful, useful, pretty straightforward example based course for you that involves database concepts, Power BI data analytics, Python analytics, and end-to-end project work. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice oriented classes from scratch. I would be the caretaker for SQL and Power BI modules, SQL and Power BI modules, Python analytics, and advanced Excel. Either myself or we have our other trainers at our school would be taking care of these activities. So left side I will take care, right side I would be one of the caretakers. And what we do actually in our training classes, basic to advanced analysis, latest updated analytic controls, job oriented, step by step, no second thought, concept wise FAQs with answers, state of art training classes. You will see my love, our dedication in the technology to get the best out of it in every aspect, every example, including these frequently asked questions. Weekly case studies and solutions, PL300 examination guidance, Microsoft Data Analyst certification, PL300, PL300, which is from Microsoft, is mainly towards making ourselves a certified data analyst. PL300 is a certification name, and every item from PL300 would be in our classes from scratch, from the basics, right from preparation of data, modeling the data, visualizations, deployments, and various asset activities. Like we have something called data activator, reflex items, alerts, semantic models, and so on, part of our classes. Back to my diagram here, PL300 certification part of our course, real-time projects. If your interviewer asks you what you did in your project, what are the challenges you face in your project, how is this, how is that, we should be having a proper technical answer with us, and we are here at our school to provide you the required information. Resume guidance, mock interviews, complete project solutions, part of our course, the 3-step data analyst trainings, database concepts, Power BI, and Python analytics. 1 and 2 mandatory for every profile. Number 3 optional, recommended add-on. What we learn in 1? In 1, plan for 3 weeks course, Monday to Friday. We love daily sessions for consistent learning, continuous practice, day-wise assignments with complete solutions. First 3 weeks would be the yellow box SQL basics, SQL server and queries basics. Though we call basics, we have 500 plus examples, non-repetitive examples on SQL's our basics. DML, DDL, select, constraints, etc. Very, very important and easy, eye-catchy examples. Of course, with touch on Excel. Then comes Power BI, a 1 month journey, 4 weeks journey. Right from the basics of reports to guidance for PL 300 examination, Power Query, DAX, and filter, drill down, drill through, lot of activities, colorful activities. And we have 3 to 4 weeks journey on Python analytics. Right from the basics of Python, we shall be understanding every detail needed for data analyst and big data analytics like pandas, numerical pi, transformations, IoT, and data analysis with Python and JSON, Python and XML, Python and Azure, Python and Excel, Python and Power BI. So we are more inclined towards analytics, not into programming for Python. So we'll be having detailed SQL concepts first, Power BI next, Python analytics third. I assure you once again, things would be completely practical step by step. Any further questions, clarifications, I shall be available at your reach on my LinkedIn profile, my LinkedIn account, or my contact, or you may reach our happy 24/7 team. Glad to assist you. Looking forward to serve you. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you so much. See you there in our live demo class. Visit us at sqlschool.com, www.sqlschool.com. See you soon. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you once again.